Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto. First day after the Ethereum ETF has been approved by SEC. So what is going on here? It's quite unusual and it's quite interesting because we can see the consolidation around this level here, 3,500 Tethers. So it looks like the situation with this tethers is quite it's quite done basically, because it looks like we got the buy the rumor situation here 2 weeks ahead of the Ethereum ETF approval, and now we got sell the news event. So the highest level 3,541 will act as the technical resistance, and this level here might act as the zone support 3,361. So the market keeps trading around these two zones, maybe making some sort of the wedge here that might be brutally interrupted sooner or later. So let me just show you guys what do I mean. Maybe something like this will be the situation here that might be developing. So that's the first one of our lines, and that's the second line here. So maybe this kind of a wedge is being formed here. So if it is a wedge, then of course the market will eventually break out of the wedge, and the breakout will be dynamic and severe. The nearest target that we could see here for the breakout is 3,189. This is the technical support for the market right now. So let me just place the technical support level here. So that's the scenario for the buy the rumors, sell the news situation on the Ethereum after the Ethereum ETF has been approved. Of course, to the upside we still have plenty of the technical resistances. For example, we got this technical resistance 3,550, which is the very important technical resistance that has not been violated just yet. What can help us to evaluate the situation is of course the momentum indicator. We are going to use the RSI. So as you can see, the RSI didn't actually hit the level of 70 because the highest high was at the level of 61 points only. So there's still room to the upside here, and if there is invalidation of the buy the rumors, sell the news situation on the market, then we can see a massive rally breaking easily above 3,550, and then rallying towards the zone around the swing high, roughly between 3,870 3,944. So please keep an eye on the current developments on the Ethereum, keep an eye on the current situation on the Ethereum, as it looks like the market wants to do something really special here. It's either breakout to the downside after the wedge is formed, or invalidation of the wedge and massive rally with the big, nice, dynamic, aggressive extension of the momentum to the upside towards the level of the 70 points on the RSI indicator. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.